just selecting Z values a little bit and X values a little bit, and also go to edit mode and just make a little bit subdivide. Okay, and also go to object and apply all transforms, making this type, and go to origin. Actually, first of all, go to origin to geometry, and for now you can just like that, right? Origin Y level is 100%, but we need to actually change this level, for example 200. And also we can go to, again, we have a simple deform and bend for angle and Z level, and you just see that object. Okay, like that. This band is absolutely amazing. Okay, thank you for watching me, and see you next time.